Hey guys, Radical Channel here, and today I'm going to be pretending to be an elf, and I'm also going to be eating the popsicle from before.
It's gonna have elf voice. Me in it.
Let's get right into the video.
It's Radical! Radical! Hey guys, Radical Channel here, and welcome to Vlogmas. Not Vlogmas, I always call it Vlogmas. Radicalness Day 4! It is Saturday, November 3rd. Right, yeah, it's Saturday, November 3rd. Format of this video will be vlog. Tomorrow, be sure to check out tomorrow's live stream, the first Radicalness live stream. And you might have noticed that I named a new playlist called Radicalness Season 1 with all like the Radicalnesses so far. Well, this is going to be a yearly thing. It'll be a yearly thing. So, this is like, ooh, it looks like it's so green outside for some reason. It looks like summer. I won't zoom in. Oh, look at it, guys. Like, summer. Even though it's fall. Anyways, back to why we call it. I'm calling it like a season 1. Because, this is like the first time we're doing it. Radicalness will be a yearly thing from now on. So, season 1, this is the first season of Radicalness. The next year will be season 2 of Radicalness. The next year, it'll be season 3 of, we're not going to do like the same exact things. We're going to be doing whatever we did that year. The National Day videos might be the same thing because it's the same National Day every year. But there's 4 or 5 different National Days. So we might have to pick, like, once we get to like season 4 or season 5, we might have to pick, we might have to pick the same one, but we'll try to do something different. So like National Men Cook Day, I'll cook something else rather than popsicle. I'm actually going to go eat the popsicle very soon. I'm going to have breakfast. Actually, I'll eat the popsicle now because it's breakfast. I don't know why I'm going to eat it. But I'll eat the popsicle now for you guys. Yeah, this is what it turned out as. It's very frozen. Put it in there for too long, I think. Hold on. Put it in there for so long. Let me see if I can defrost it. Put it in there for 10 seconds. Did that do anything? Made it a little watery. I hope it's not like hot now. Made it a little watery. Ugh. Oh my gosh, it's sour. Oh my gosh, it's sour for some reason. Even though the flavor I did wasn't sour. Hold on, let me see if I can try to pull it out now. Okay, I pulled out the stick. Now we might have to eat it with a fork. Right here. Here goes nothing. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. I don't know if I'm doing this. I can't. Hold on, let me get a spoon. Okay, I got a spoon. Oh my gosh. Please leave a like and subscribe, and goodbye!